In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blog on Squarespace 7.1. By the end, you'll have a blog page set up and your first post created using the built-in tools Squarespace provides. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. If you manage more than one website, make sure you're inside the correct one before you continue so your changes go to the right place. From the main menu on the left, go to Website. This is where you manage your site's structure and content. Next, open pages. Think of this as your site's table of contents. Every page and collection you'll add or edit lives here. Now click the plus icon to add a new page. You'll see options for different page types. Choose blog from the collections menu. A blog is a special kind of page that organizes entries chronologically and supports features like archives and feeds, which is ideal for ongoing content. You'll be prompted to select a layout for your blog page and give it a title. Pick a layout that matches your style, whether it's a clean grid or a classic list, and name the page something clear, like blog or news. This title will usually appear in your site navigation, so keep it short and recognizable. Press enter to save the page. This creates the blog and opens its backend panel where you'll manage posts and basic settings. You can always refine design and settings later, but for now, let's add your first post. Back in the Pages menu, navigate to your new blog page. Inside, you'll see the post list. Click the plus icon to create a new post. Start with a strong descriptive title, something that tells readers exactly what they can expect. In the editor, click the plus icon to add content blocks. Use text blocks for your main writing, image blocks to illustrate your points, and galleries if you have a series of visuals. You can mix and match blocks to structure your story, add headings to break up sections, include captions to clarify images, and keep paragraphs concise for readability. Remember, you can drag blocks to reorder them, so don't worry about perfection on the first pass. When you're done, you have two options. Click Save to keep the post as a draft. Great for when you want to come back and polish it. Or open Options and choose Publish to make it live on your site. Publishing immediately adds it to your blog page and makes it visible to visitors. That's it. You've created a blog page, written a post, and either saved it as a draft or published it. Keep building momentum by repeating this process for your next articles.